Stampers! Today we're going to make this really sweet little treat holder. And this is the one that I got for a swap at On Stage. And this is from Tashana Lundy. I'll have her name on the screen, but she gave me this as a swap. Isn't it cute? So I'm reduplicating it, and this is my version. I'm going to make mine for the Christmas theme. So we're going to be making this one, and this one is the opposite side of this designer paper. And this is the Festive Farmhouse designer paper. And then these are the two sides for this designer paper. And these are both from that same pack. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and make this side right here for today's video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm using the Festive Farmhouse, and this piece is cut at 4 by 6, and we're going to grab our Stampin' trimmer. Okay, so on the 4-inch side, we're going to score at 1 inch and 3. Then we're going to turn it on the 6-inch side. We're going to score this at 2.5 and 3.5. Okay, so we're going to fold all our score lines. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and fold this side in, and where we got the 2.5 and 3.5 inch score line, we're going to fold those score lines and we're going to bring them up and over to the edge of that 1 inch score line. Let me show you it this way. Hopefully this shows up better. So I'm going to take my bone folder and crease that fold really nicely. Okay, so this is the 2.5 and 3.5 inch score line. So we're going to bring this 2.5 inch score line over to the edge, just like that. Okay, then we're going to do the exact same thing on all 3 sides here. Bring this side up, this 2.5 inch score line over to the edge. Make a little diagonal fold there, just like that. I'm going to turn it and do the exact same thing on this side. Okay, so then when you put your sides down like this, your little pocket that's going to hold the candy is going to form out like that. Alright, so we're going to add the tear and tape along the top and the bottom edge. Okay, I'm going to take my paper piercing tool, I'm going to peel off the backing. These are really cute treats for anybody, especially around the holidays. Anybody that you want to give a little chocolate treat to. Okay, so now we're just going to fold in the 1 inch score lines and adhere the top edge down. Okay, so then see, this is going to open up and form your little pouch to hold your little miniature candies. Now I will show you that they hold the nuggets as well, but first here's the little miniature size candy, and it holds 3 of them. So let me show you here. So you're going this way. Just like that. Okay, and then it folds up like that. We're going to decorate it here in a second, but I want to show you the little nuggets and also the miniatures fit. So here's the miniatures, and then I also covered them to match the paper. So let me show you here. So we're going to take a piece of designer paper, the same designer paper. This is cut at 1 3/8 wide by 3 inches. And what you're going to do is you're going to put adhesive on both ends. I'm just using the snail. And you're going to take one of your chocolates and you're going to add your paper. Now the 1 3/8 is the width of this little covering of your candy. And then you're just going to go ahead and cover that up and adhere it down just like that. So if you want to cover the candy and put them inside, it would be really cute too. Let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so there's that. How cute. And then it also holds the nuggets, which, you know, I'm loving these chocolate nuggets. So these 3 go in like this. They're going to stand up. You're going to put all 3 on its end like that, and it goes into the pocket. So it holds 3 of the Hershey nuggets as well. Okay, but I'm going to go ahead and add the little miniatures. So let me go ahead and put those back inside. All right, now we're going to do some stamping. Okay, so we're going to use the Takeout Treats, and we're going to use This Is For You, the greeting from that stamp set. I'm going to use the Whisper White, and then also the Silver Glimmer Paper. We're going to use the Cherry Cobbler Classic Ink. I'm going to stamp This Is For You onto the Whisper White. Okay, we're going to take the 1.5 inch circle punch. Punch that out. Then the 1 3/4 inch circle punch with the Silver Glimmer Paper. Okay, we're going to layer these two pieces together. Okay, we're going to take my paper piercing tool. We're going to grab in our little treat holder again. We're going to line up the edges of our treat holder just like this. And I found that just taking your paper piercing tool, making sure it lines up, there we go. And then also with your tag, I'm going to punch it right about here. And you're going to hold it all together with the brad. Now I have the metallic brads that look like this. You have the gold, silver, and the copper, which I'm going to use the silver one. I'm just going to grab a little one out. But we also have the basic brads, which are in colors. The Mint Macaron, Calypso Coral, Night of Navy, and the Whisper White. Okay, so we're going to take our brad, put it through the tag, and then we're just going to line this up through the hole that we punched through the front of the treat holder. Line that up. Okay, and then we're going to push our brad through all 3 layers and then open the brad up. So it's going to hold the little treat holder closed, just like that. Isn't that cute? So this is such a cute and easy little treat. Let me show you the other ones again. So this was the other side of this designer paper. And then here's this one. Then here's the Mossy Meadow side for this one. Remember, this also holds the nuggets and then also the little miniatures for the chocolate. And it probably holds a lot of other things too, but those were the 2 that I found. Okay, so I'll have all the items listed below, and then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you later. Bye!